Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the printer driver package cannot be installed, then I will recommend you three solutions only and no other solution. So first of all, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the print spooler service. Okay. Right click on it and select restart or start if it's not already started. The next one is to run the printer troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click on Run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Okay, this troubleshooter will run on its own and fix the problem quickly. And the last solution will be to install the drivers from the manufacturer's website. For example, I have a Canon computer, so I'll search for the model number Canon 3010. Okay, it's actually 3012, but they use the 3010 drivers. Okay, and then you can go to the software packages page, download it, and open it and install it. Okay, that's how you can install the latest drivers. This should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.